Welcome to C49HockeyBreaks, box break number 413, and today we've got our fourth box out of the second half of the 2021 Clear Cut Master Case. This is box number 19 total from the Master Case. And today we've got box number 63. I'm just going to be glad to see an auto here today, as yesterday on Boxing Day we had a no auto box of SP Authentic. So one card here today, our 19th box from the Master Case of 2021 Clear Cut here today, gives us a Joel Kiviranta Clear Cut base auto. Not exactly what you are looking for, but our first two boxes in the second half were pretty good, and our third and fourth box have not been so hot. But Joel Kiviranta Clear Cut base auto, our one card here today. Tomorrow I am going to have a box of SP Game Used Golf Edition, and then on Thursday I'm going to have another box of SP Authentic from the second inner case, and hopefully we'll see a loaded box, since yesterday we seen a no auto box. But it's going to do it here today for 2021 Clear Cut. Folks, if you did enjoy this one box break, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you have not yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got plenty more box breaks, Mystery Pack Mondays, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads to come.